Because let's be honest, dreaming about living in the Mexican Caribbean, it's easy, but making it a reality, that requires a clear route. That's why I created the AMORAMAR Route, and here's how I'll guide you from dream to deed in just 3 steps. Step number 1, you have to set your compass and understand the waters. In a private 30-minute call, I'll ask you key questions to align your vision and goals with the destination that truly fits your lifestyle. You'll get real market data for each area, learn about the different zones, neighborhoods, and understand the projected appreciation of each one. This will give you total clarity on which location works best for you, your family, your activities, and the life you want to build here. Step number 2, you'll explore the hidden gems. Here's where we go deeper to find the Riviera Maya's true opportunities. This is where we use our unique filter to identify what is really worth it. Properties that meet our strict standards, of course. Then we'll explore them together in person or virtually until you feel confident about making your choice. And last step, number 3, we'll anchor on safe harbor. We'll close with confidence and full protection. We'll finalize your purchase with a clear offer strategy, skilled negotiation, and complete legal support so your investment is fully protected. Karla, how do I start? Click on Book My Call to begin your AMORAMAR Route with step 1, so we can filter properties that truly match what you're looking for. If you start your AMORAMAR Route today, in less than 24 hours, you could have a clear plan and access to properties most people don't even know they exist. So click on the button below and book your call. I'm Karla Torres. I'm the CEO of AMORAMAR, and I'll be here to guide you with my team to that property you wouldn't just buy, you'll fall in love with. AMORAMAR, your standard of home.